7-minute abs, easy butt workout, 2 weeks shred challenge, burn fat quickly. Fitness industry promises you instant and easy results. This pristine body you can have with almost zero effort. So I figured out, why not go overboard about it? Let's do full body fitness program in 1 minute. So we can go from complete beginner to shredded beast and change your life in only 1 minute. This all probably sounds inspiring and exciting, yet absurd and unrealistic. You might think, yeah, I can definitely do it, but no way I'm going to look that fit after just one workout. But hear me out. The twist is, you start with 1 minute workout and progress by 1 minute every week. It's that simple. And this minor detail will change your life. I promise. This one easy workout will be a moment of before and after in your life. Let me explain why with a short story. So there was a real-life ancient athlete, Milo of Croton. He once decided to carry a newborn calf on his shoulders. Day by day, for more than 4 years, small calf slowly grew into a massive adult bull, and Milo got stronger and bigger along with it. What an awesome idea! Gradual but steady progress with easy start and impressive results at the end. This is actually the very first written record of progressive overload training principle. And this principle is one of the most important foundations in training and fitness to this day. It basically comes down to two main ideas. First of all, you have to always start small and be consistent. Then, you slowly progress to bigger challenges and make sure you never give up. Your body and mind will slowly adapt to new load, and when time comes, you'll be amazed by the results. Working out can be as simple as that. So I created 1 minute fitness to guide you through the process. You can pick up basically any workout that suits you. The main idea is to simply start exercising in any way comfortable for you and try the most basic exercises. Your very first workout might be a bit too easy to do, but that's the idea. And as you will be progressing, the app will keep track of your level and performance and whether you match the load increase of 1 minute a week. If you feel like making lots of progress, feel free to do more than one workout a week, watch your performance grow and level up to match your growth. If you feel like you want to change things up a bit or want bigger challenges, check out advanced or premium workouts or even create one for yourself. You can keep yourself motivated with simple daily or weekly reminders, and feel free to customize some things like resting duration, calorie counting, sounds, and some other stuff. That's it. No need for complicated apps and training routines. Keep it simple and tidy. And remember, anyone can manage adding just 1 minute of training time a week. It's that easy. But did you ever think that in a year your workouts will be about 1 hour long? Crazy! And can you imagine yourself at that time? So go ahead, change your life in just 1 minute. I truly believe in it. Start small, finish your first workout, and God only knows where it will lead you. And as always, thank you for watching. And remember, more updates and new releases are coming. Goodbye.